on your Brunt down Brunt Street towards the harbor. Actually, the harbor is Brunt Street is now in the harbor. And I don't know, it's probably flows through coming out the back of the building where we just were. There they are by the sewer pump. Just got to me, it's about 8 inches, 12 inches deep. We're at Reed Street and then Brunt. I don't know, probably about 8:15, 8:30 maybe. High tide just passed. And here we're about 3 feet deep. About the same as on Beard Street. A low point. There we go. All high point. Doesn't take but 4 or 5 feet. And all of a sudden that's a hill. There. Protecting the sewage pump. I don't know. I'm not going to get too close. Get the idea. Water's now about 3 to 4 feet deep. I don't know how these warehouses are making out. I can imagine they don't have water in them. It's up to mid-tide. Water's kind of warm. Pretty nice. Try not to step in any open manholes. And that 440 voltage coming out of the ground doesn't make me too comfortable. That pipe goes right down in the ground. Here we are, standing in New York Harbor, the foot of Brunt Street, Brooklyn, New York. There's somebody out there on the jetty. Looks like it's continually about 3 feet deep till the end. I'm going to turn up the camera for now.